The ChatGPT iPhone app has serious privacy issues you need to know about. When you open the app on your phone, you get a warning about sharing personal information because anonymized chats may be reviewed by our AI trainer to improve our systems. OpenAI's privacy policy says that when you use our services, we may collect personal information that is included in the input, file uploads, or feedback you provide. This means that if you ask ChatGPT questions that contain any personal information, it'll be sent to OpenAI and could be read by a human reviewer. So, if you use ChatGPT for things such as help with your anger issues, as a safe space to vent, to seek advice, or to edit and enhance personal documents and texts, these are all being sent, and possibly viewed by, humans at OpenAI. So, you have no idea whether OpenAI is actually reading your conversations, and you have no option to opt out. There is no possible way for the company to read every conversation from every user, but it is something you should keep in mind as you continue to use the app.